Hello, Evan Rand here, and I'm pretty excited about this video, Evan. We're going to be installing the Kasa Smart Doorbell switch here today. This is the KD110 model. Just got this off Amazon here. They had a really good deal on it, everyone. What I'm excited about this one for, Evan, is it works with our existing app already. Throughout the house, I have a couple of the Kasa Smart switches, for those of you who've seen any of my videos here, and been really happy with them so far, Evan. So we're going to try out their doorbell here. We're going to get that installed in this video and see how it works. Okay, in the box, Evan, we got a couple of pieces here. Of course, first and foremost, we got the smart doorbell itself. We got a couple of mounting plate options for it here. They're supposed to be angled if you need them. Now, in our case, Evan, we should be able to just go flat, I do believe. We also have the chime. If I understand it correctly here, Evan, this does not work with your existing chime. So you have to use this, and I guess you can just plug it in anywhere. We'll find that out here later on, hopefully. Also comes with various mounting options and a couple of pieces of wire here as well, or jumpers as they're called. We're gonna have to go down to the doorbell ringer, everyone, and we're gonna have to jump out a couple of the wires. So that's what those are for. And then, of course, we're gonna take off our existing doorbell, and right on the back here, hope you can see the screws right there. We'll wire up the new doorbell here. So should be a very simple install and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Oh, and one other thing here as well, Evan. Apparently you can record with this as well if you have an SD card on it. So I got a random SD card here laying around. Grab that. I'm going to put that in here as well. We're going to see how that works, hopefully. So like I said, it should be a very simple install, it looks like. So let's get started. Okay, everyone, down in the basement here, all we need to do, apparently, per the directions, is jump out between the transformer and the rear doorbell. By the way, I'm going to be putting this on the rear doorbell. If you're doing the front, of course, you do the transformer to the front. And in the package is included this little jumper wire here. We're going to install between there, the transformer, and the rear. Okay, just like that, jumper's installed. I'm kind of curious, though, why I can't just move this wire to that one. I wonder if that works. Oh, well, that's what it says to do, so that's what we did. And because I'm using an SD card, the first thing I want to do is actually put the SD card in here before mounting it. So we just got to remove those two screws, which is the number one screwdriver here, by the way. Okay, there we go. SD card's installed. Put the screws back in and ready to mount it. Okay, well, we'll get this old antiquated thing out of here. And then we'll mount the new plate here. So probably about in there somewhere. Okay, now then, hooking up, everyone. It comes with these leads and wire nuts here, but I don't think I have room back here to install this in here, everyone. So, well, unless I poke this back in here, maybe I do then. I don't know. Not sure. I'm gonna have to think about this here a minute. How do we want to do this? Okay, but I'm not really probably super happy with this install here, but I can't think of a better way to do this here with my current setup, so we're just gonna wrap the wire around it and call it good. Even the way it is, I'm not sure I can get that in there or not. Okay, man, lights on, and we got a red and green blinking light up there. I think that's a good sign. Let's go to the app and set this up. Okay, when we're in the Kasa app here, we're going to go ahead and add a new device. So just click the plus up top there, device, and right at the top, doorbells. They only have one here so far. We're going to add that one. Let's see what's here. Yes, we have. It is orange. Okay, it looked like red and green to me, but it says orange green. Yep. And we need to connect to it. Okay, so let's go to our settings here. And let's see if we can find it. That one right there, I do believe. And then back to the Kasa app. And then I'm guessing it'll probably ask us to connect to the house Wi-Fi here in a minute. Yep, go ahead and get that connected. Okay, we'll just call it the back door, I guess. Save that. Yeah, we'll enable notifications for now. See what those are like. 24/7 recording. Sure, we got an SD card in there. Might as well. SD card, yes. Guess I gotta click it. Guess I double check. Makes sense. Well, for some reason, it's not liking my SD card, so we'll skip that step for now. I tried it twice here, and it's just being, I don't know, not sure what's wrong. Okay, start pairing. Press and hold the sync button for 3 seconds, then the LED should start blinking green. Okay. No, I don't hear it yet. Nope, still don't hear it. Okay, well, I think we're all set up here, everyone. Just went into the camera here itself. I wanted to do a firmware update. Now it says we want to review our activity zone. I think we want to move that over just a little bit if we can. More like probably there, I would say. Yeah, let's do that. I don't know, can you make it bigger? I don't know if we necessarily need to make that any bigger. That looks like probably a pretty good size. Actually, no, let's do this. Let's move it over just a little bit here, just in case someone sneaks around there. There we go. Let's call that good. Sounds good. We're all set, I guess. And there we go. There's the back door. Oh, and you can hear the wind outside. That's kind of cool. A little freaky, too. Do we got options here somewhere? No, I don't see any options. I mean, there's got to be options here somewhere. Okay, yep. Camera's microphone. That's the two-way option. Okay, well, I'll probably have to fiddle around with this a little more of them, but hey, we got it set up. Wasn't too bad. Let's go test it out. Okay, there we go. And yep, we're looking at ourselves here. Also the cat. Yeah, hi cat. How are you doing? Let's see. So let's push the button. Oh, I seen it pop up. Okay, it is a little delayed up, and I noticed that, but not too bad. Okay, cool. Okay, we figured out how to get to the setting here. You just got to rotate the iPad, and then you got the settings up there. Speaking of the settings, I went into the settings here. For some reason, when I set this up, it wouldn't let me do the SD card, but then I went in here. Where was it now? Record. Yeah, 24/7 record. I went to that. I went and turned it on, and it seems to be fine. It's showing the SD cards there. So we'll see if that works. So it's showing... Yep, and actually it's already looks like used a little bit there because it's actually down a little bit from the available because I just turned that on here a moment ago. Also actually paired my chime. For some reason when I went through the first time, it didn't want to pair, so I just said yes, it was good. And then once I got in here, I was able to pair it again, and now it's just fine. So a couple little hiccups there while setting up, but like I said, I was able to sort those out once we were actually into it here. So yeah, we'll see how this goes, Evan. See if I like it or not. And if I do, I'll probably end up getting a second one. These are, compared to most of the other doorbells out there, Evan, very cheap, I would say. And I like the fact, too, Evan, that it works with an app I already have. I don't have to go download another app. So anyway, this will probably be the end of the video unless I tack something on the end here, everyone, for like if I see something I don't like or for liking it, everyone. But on that, thanks for watching. If you folks have any comments or questions about this, be sure to leave them down below. And until next time.